Okay, so here we need to explain the concept of finding the angle in between a pair of straight lines in space. So suppose we have a straight line L1 and we have another straight line L2. So suppose the equation of the line L1 is r vector equals to a1 vector plus lambda b1 vector. And the equation of the line L2 is r vector equals to a2 vector plus mu b2 vector. So it means that the line L1 is parallel to b1 vector and the line L2 is parallel to b2 vector. Then how to find the acute angle theta in between the two lines? So so when two lines are there, if the angle is not a right angle, then we know that cos theta should be greater than 0 for all values of a. Means you can say that cos theta will be always having a positive value for all angle theta, which is an acute angle. For all acute angle theta, actually, for all acute angle theta. So then, so therefore, the angle in between the vectors b1 and b2 would be also theta in that case. So then we know that cos theta would be equal to b1 dot b2 divided by mod b1 into mod b2. So now since cos theta should be always greater than 0, so then therefore cos theta should be mod of this. Mod of this also we should take mod of b1 dot b2 by mod b1 into mod b2. And suppose if the equation of the straight lines are given in Cartesian forms, it means that L1 is given as x minus x1 by a1, that is equals to y minus y1 by b1, that is equals to z minus z1 by c1, and then the line L2 equation is given as x minus x2 by a2, that is equals to y minus y2 by b2, and that is equals to z minus z2 by c2. So therefore here direction ratios, the direction ratios along the line L1, direction ratios along the line L1 are A1, B1, and C1, and the direction ratios along the line L2 are direction ratios along the line L2 are A2, B2, and C2. A2, B2, and C2. So then the angle in between L1 and L2, if that is theta, then cos theta will be equal to, so if theta is the angle, if theta is the acute angle between the lines L1 and L2, then cos theta, that would be equal to so here we can say that the B1 vector that is parallel to the line L1, that will be given as A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap, and the vector B2 which is parallel to the line L2, that will be given as A2 I cap plus B2 J cap plus C2 K cap. So therefore cos theta, as we have found, that will be equal to B1 dot B2 by magnitude of B1 into magnitude of B2. So now here B1 dot B2, that would be obviously A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2, and the magnitude of b1 vector, that would be obviously equal to square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, and the magnitude of b2 vector, that would be obviously equal to square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So therefore the value of cos theta, that would be equal to mod of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2, mod of that divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square, square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square, where theta is the acute angle in between the two lines. Where theta is the acute angle between the two lines in space. So based on it, we can solve some examples. It is suppose asked, find the angle between find the angle between the pair of straight lines, the pair of straight lines which are given as r vector equals to 3 I cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap, then plus lambda into I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, and r vector equals to 5 I cap minus 2j cap, then plus mu into 3 I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap. So here the line L1, and this is suppose the line L2. So L1 is parallel to the vector B1. So B1 vector, that would be I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. And L2 straight line is parallel to the vector B2. That is obviously 3 I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap. So therefore, the acute angle theta in between the lines can be given as cos inverse of mod b1 dot b2 by magnitude of b1 into magnitude of b2. So now therefore b1 dot b2, that would be equal to 3 plus 4 plus 12. So that would be 19 units. And then magnitude of b1 vector, so that would be equal to square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. So that would be equal to root over 4 plus 4 plus 1. So root over 9, that is 3. And magnitude of b2, so that would be equal to 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square. So that would be equal to 9 plus 4 plus 36. So that would be equal to 49, square root of 49, that is 7. So therefore, the required acute angle in between the lines will be given as 19 by 3 into 7. That will be equal to 19 by 21. That is cos inverse of that we have to take. So it is cos inverse of 19 by 21. So answer is the required acute angle between the given lines is given as theta equal to cos inverse of 19 by 21. So this is the answer. And then we can solve one more example. Suppose it is asked to find the angle between the pair of straight lines the pair of lines which are given as the straight line L1 is given as x plus 3 by 3, that is equals to y minus 1 by 5, that is equals to z plus 3 by 4. And the line L2 is given as x plus 1 by 1, that is equals to y minus 4 by 1, that is equals to z minus 5 by 2. So here, therefore, the direction ratios along the line L1 are 3, 5, and 4, and the direction ratios along the line L2 are given as 1, 1, and 2. So therefore, the vector B1 that is parallel to the line L1, that will be given as 3 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 4 k cap, and the vector B2 which is parallel to the line L2, that will be given as I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. So now, therefore, we need to find cos theta, where theta is the acute angle in between the lines. So cos theta is magnitude of B1 dot B2 divided by magnitude of B1 into magnitude of B2. So therefore, we need to find B1 dot B2. So that would be equal to 3 plus 5 plus 3 into 1, 5 into 1 plus 4 into 2, that is 8. So that would be 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. And then the magnitude of B1 vector, so that would be equal to square root of 3 square plus 5 square plus 4 square. So that would be equal to square root of 9 plus 25 plus 16. So 16 plus 9 is again 25. So that is square root of 50. So that is 5 root 2. And then the magnitude of B2 vector, so that would be equal to square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So that would be 4 plus 1 plus 1. So that is root over 6. So then, therefore, cos theta would be equal to 16 by 5 root 2 into root 6. So that would be 16 by 5 into root over 12. So root 12 means it is 2 root 3. So that will be 10 root 3. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. We can write it as 8 root 3 by 5 root 3 into root 3. So that would be 8 root 3 by 15. So therefore, acute angle, the required acute angle in between the given pair of lines, the given pair of lines is cos inverse of 8 root 3 by 15. So this is the answer. Thank you.